आनी सगळेकडच्यान सगळ्यांक स्पेक्युलेशन आशिल्लें कि भारतीय जनता पक्षान मेजॉरिटी केली काय नहीं। अभी बाकी का मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ। दिल्ली जाने के बाद थोड़ी हिंदी सुधर गई। अजीब लग रहा था कि मैं यहाँ वापिस आके 13 का मेजॉरिटी में कैसी जादू कन्वर्ट कर दी। अगर आपको सच बोलूं तो हमारे सब साथियों ने और अभी टोटल 22 लोगों ने तो खत दिए हैं गवर्नर साहिबा को सपोर्ट के। सभी ने एक कंडीशन रखा था और वो कंडीशन था कि अगर मोदी जी मुझे दिल्ली से मुक्त करके गोवा में अगर मुख्यमंत्री करके भेजते हैं तो हम लोग बीजेपी के नेतृत्व में सरकार बनाने के लिए तैयार है। हमारे एक साथीदार महाराष्ट्रवादी गोमंतक पार्टी है, दूसरे गोवा फॉरवर्ड है, जिन्हें दोनों ने गोवा के हित में ये निर्णय लिया। उसके साथ 2 अपक्ष और अन्य तीसरा अपक्ष कल उन्होंने भी समर्थन दे दिया और इनका सबका समर्थन ये केवल गोवा के डेवलपमेंट के लिए और गोवा का एक जो खासियत है, स्पेशलिटी है, जिसको हम गोवा में गोयकारपन बोलते हैं, वो समर्थ हित से आगे बढ़ाने के लिए उन्होंने दिया है और मैं उनका बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ ये समर्थन के लिए। कई अटकलें लगा रही थी। सुबह कोर्ट में गए थे कांग्रेस, जिस प्रकार से सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने फटकारा लगाया है, अगर आपके पास मेजॉरिटी है तो आप लेके जाइए गवर्नर के पास, आपको किसने रोका है। लेकिन दिल्ली वालों को मालूम नहीं रहेगा, गोवा वासियों को पूरा मालूम है कि 1990 टू 2000 तक जब कांग्रेस ने स्टेट बनने के बाद सरकारें दी थी, 10 बरस में 12 मुख्यमंत्री हुए थे। 10 बरस में 12 मुख्यमंत्री। इसके कारण गोवा का विकास पूरा खत्म हो गया था और आज भी 17 आने के बावजूद इनका जो झगड़ा चल रहा है अंदर, इनके पास कोई जाके उनको समर्थन करने का मूड भी नहीं रखता था, क्योंकि सबको मालूम है कि गोवा आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता है, क्योंकि ये खुद में ही झगड़ रहे हैं। और आज ये उन्होंने ही प्रूव कर दिया। मुझे मीडिया पूछ रही थी दोपहर में कि विल यू प्रूव योर मेजॉरिटी इन कमिंग नेक्स्ट 2 days। we were ready to prove it on the first day because we got all of them to Her Excellency on the first day itself. 21 came, the 22nd slightly got delayed. He came next day, he gave me the letter. All of them came here personally and showed the strength. While Congress came here today in a bus, the reason for bus is they were scared that if people come by car, one of the car may disappear on the way. So they packed everyone in the bus and they got all 17 here in a bus, proving that they have only 17. The mandate is fractured, I agree. Mandate is definitely fractured, but fractured if every fraction gets together, we have become 22. And please count the vote share of all these 22 MLAs. It is 34 BJP, 11, I am rounding off, 11 MGP, 4% Goa Forward, and independent about 2.5%. That makes it 50.5%. It is perfect, 50 plus 50% plus. 50% of Goans have today shown their representative. They may belong to different parties. Therefore, it is post-election coalition. So if anyone wanted the explanation, This is bringing together post-election coalition, and the lead has been taken by the regional parties, not me. They gave the letter saying that only if Parrikar is relieved from Delhi and made the Chief Minister, then we will be giving the support to Bharatiya Janata Party. So I think this is adequate proof. Day after tomorrow, as per direction of Supreme Court, the procedure of proving the majority on the floor of the House, because it is said that it cannot be done on the, we can produce everyone here, they are all among us, but it has to be proved on the floor of the House. We will prove it and let everyone be very clear that this government will last for 365 into 5 days. Thank you very much. And day after tomorrow, first oath has to be given. After oath is given, as per the direction of Supreme Court, we will prove the majority first, and whatever has to be followed, maybe we will take it on next day, or we have not gone into further detailed program. But the first and the main business is proving the majority. First day itself, after 16th, that is Thursday. As per Supreme Court direction, it will be proved on the floor of the House. After that, all the other procedures can follow.
What would be the focus of your government?
To prove the majority first. My focus, I told you very clearly, development, retaining speciality of Goa. जाका आमी गोंयकारपण म्हणटा, विजय परतो परतो म्हाका हांव विसरत म्हणून शब्द सांगता, पण आमी म्हाका दिसता मातशी एक वेगळी थिंक करणारी लोक आसात. आमकां एक वेगळेपण जें आसा, that we will maintain. Portfolios prove majority करने के बाद में portfolios will be distributed. And while I am thankful to some media to speculate the portfolios, they will be well discussed with my colleagues and allotted. Vijayan म्हाका विचारलेले, हांवें already ताका सांगला, this is a very small issue, next assembly, not this, because the grass or म्हाका दिसता misconcept, but whatever it is, the necessary correction can be done. Yes, it requires, the first common minimum program was to come together, to work together, prove majority, and then within 1 month we will issue a statement of common issues, which many of you know. I saw the newspaper, he is here, good. He has expressed his support to this. If anyone you want, you can ask the question afterwards. Don't try to solve all problems which we are mandated for solving in 5 years in 1 day. Thank you.